In this video, I will show you how to add ElevenLabs voices to CapCut. This is very easy, so let's get started. But first, if you want to get started with ElevenLabs with the best discounts available, or even just with a free plan, make sure to check out the link in the description down below to get started. So just type your text you want to generate. Just type it right here. For example, this is just a test for the video, just like this, and then tap on generate or press shift enter to generate the voice.
This is just a test for the video.
Just like this. Maybe add a little dot instead of just like
this is just a test for the video.
Just like this, and then press on this arrow right here and then download the voice. All right, and now what we need to do is we need to open CapCut. You can do this either on the browser or in the app. So this works the same on mobile as well as on desktop. Just open the app, the CapCut app right now. And now I am in CapCut, and now I added a little background. And what I need to do right now is add the specific voiceover. So I just need to tap on import right there and then select the specific voiceover file that we've just downloaded. As you can see, we've downloaded this voiceover, and we can preview it by tapping on it.
This is just a test for the video.
Just like this, and then we can move this voiceover into our project by just dragging it and then drag it right there, for example, and move it like this, and then we can move this video. And now we have added the voiceover to CapCut. We can even add captions by going to captions, then select the specific language that is spoken in the voiceover. In this case it is English, and then tap on generate, and now it's generating auto captions for us, as you can see. And now we can just preview it by tapping on this play button.
This is just a test for the video.
As you can see, that is it. So now we have added voiceovers. We can change the style, of course, of the text by going to captions and then go to text and then go to you can make it up like this, or you can just use a pre-made effect if you want to by tapping on this. As you can see,
just a test for the video.
There are a lot of options, but yeah. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to export your project, by the way, you just need to tap on export, and that is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.